Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your LLC mailing and principal address on Sunbiz, Florida, step-by-step tutorial. So let's get started. So here we are in sunbiz.org, and from here what we're gonna do is we're gonna click here on manage or change existing business. And from here we're gonna click here on update your information. And now from here is that we're gonna click here on update the entity's current email address, FEIN, and address. So you wanna click here. And then now you would need to provide all of these details. So the first one is the name of business entity. So if you don't know this, then what you can do is basically you can go back into sunbiz.org right here, sunbiz.org. And from here, you just basically need to go here into the search records. And then from here, you can search by a name or your document number, because when you go back here, you would also need to provide your document number right here. So you must know either one of this, either the name or your document number. So if you don't know the business name of your entity, then you can go for document number right here, and then you can just paste your document number of your business, and then you would be able to find your name. But if you know the name but you don't know the document number, then you can click here on name and just paste the name right here. So for example, I'm just gonna go company right here, and then you should be able to see the document number of your company right here once you've searched for the name. For example, this one right here, I want to click on that, and then I would be able to see the details of the entity of our business right here, so you can see the details. And yeah, now that we're done with that, now that you have provided the name and the document number right here, you can now provide an email so that Sunbiz can contact you. And then if you are changing entity's email address, you can enter the new email address right here. And if adding or changing federal employer identification number or FEIN, then you can just enter the new one right here. And if you're changing new principal office address, enter new street address right here. So this is your principal address. And if changing entity's mailing address, so this is where you want to change it, and input the street address, city, state, zip code, same as the principal address right here. After that, you want to go for the captcha, and then basically just click on submit, and then you'll be all good. So yeah, this is basically how you change your LLC mailing and principal address on Sunbiz. Thank you for watching.